Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to find the critical value for a left-tailed z-test where alpha is 0.02. Include a graph, which we have. So, the easiest way is use StatCrunch. So you open up StatCrunch, go Stat Calculators, and choose the normal calculator. And you just need to leave the mean and the standard deviation alone since it's a z-test, leave those at 0, 1. All you have to do is put this 0.02 in here, which is this area in red, and click, this needs to be left-tailed. You click compute, and it gives you the answer as accurate as we need, negative 2.05. That's the correct answer there. You click on that, of course, it'll show the answer you gave. So here's the picture. And so it's real easy to find critical values with the normal calculator. So you click on Stat Calculators and choose the normal calculators, a whole list of them to pick from. Hope this helps.